Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you in detail how the new YouTube community on the Skool platform looks like, what we actually teach, how we actually help people to monetize their first YouTube channel, or how can fix the current channels that simply don't get views or simply doesn't follow the YouTube guidance. It's very important because last month YouTube changed the algorithm again, and now the smaller channels actually have a better advantage and higher chances to go viral. This is why we changed some of the classes, some of the course material in our school. So definitely you want to check out if you're interested of starting your own YouTube channel, or you're trying to help somebody else to run their channel. So very important, if you are advanced, right, we do have some basic entry-level beginner-friendly courses over here, but you definitely want to focus on the scripts. So we created this special new updated version based on the current YouTube algorithm change, how you can find the script that is currently going viral, how to find these small channels, because like I mentioned, the big channels are not going viral as easy as before. With the new YouTube changes, now only the small channels are going viral, so it will be hard for you to find the small channels if you don't know what kind of tools to use. So you want to take this course over here, how to write video scripts, and you want to make sure that you use all the tools that we provide. We help you to identify the small channels, we help you actually extract the script, and we are actually providing you with some suggestions how you can improve the script using AI, how to paraphrase the script, how and when you can actually split and make difference by pausing or actually speaking faster. This will actually improve not only the engagement, but will improve the views, and the algorithm will push your video even more. Also very important is, as usual, the thumbnails. See, if before the thumbnails were simply requiring for you to use multiple colors, use particular colors in combination, now the YouTube algorithm changed everything. Now we're looking for more natural, inspired thumbnails that look like you're essentially taking a snapshot of an actual video, and it almost looks like that somebody has taken the picture without you knowing that he's taking picture of you. So we have a complete course over here. The idea of the thumbnail is that you want to make sure that you adapt your future thumbnails, or you can replace your previous past thumbnails with the new algorithm updates. Otherwise, the YouTube and the current audience on YouTube will simply skip your video because your thumbnails will signal that your information is outdated, because the thumbnail trend that you used previously with the multicolor effects, with too much editing, will simply not drag any attention and will not keep engagement high as per usual algorithm requirement. So definitely want to come over here. I'm gonna leave a link pinned down under this video, so if you guys are interested, you can join the community, and you definitely want to go through these particular courses on our Skool community. You want to take notes, or you can simply open two screens, one in the community and one with your YouTube studio, and start doing the edits. YouTube will be getting more and more competitive, simply because YouTube is lowering the barrier for entry, so more and more people from different countries are joining in. This means that the competition will get higher. So if you really want to make money on YouTube, so if you really want to start collecting leads or growing your business or building your brand, you really want to make sure that you're ahead of competition. You want to make sure that you know all this information before other people, and you start implementing it today, not tomorrow. So go ahead guys, check the link pinned below and join the community.